Okay. Got another article I wrote here from my Going Road Riders, my group. I try to do educational articles for their newsletters and all, and I thought it'd make a good video out there. So this one's about speed bleeders. They're brake bleeders, actually. I wrote an article a few months ago, and you may have seen my video, about how you need to change your brake fluid every 1 to 2 years. It's for maximum brake life, performance, and brake component longevity. To me, because I've rebuilt so many brake systems, this will help slow down having to rebuild brake calipers. It's because they lose their ability to stop rust, and that's what caused brakes calipers to lock up and all. Today, with all the anti-lock brake systems, you need to put good fluid in and keep it in all the time. And that's why if you look at your owner's manual, you will see that manufacturers will ask you 1 to 2 years. Usually it's 2. Also, this helps on the ABS brake systems to help operate at maximum safety. Changing the brake fluid is to get the bad out and the good in. Fluid is. And it needs to be considered normal maintenance. And many motorcycle manufacturers recommend changing the brake fluid every 2 years. Brake fluid is designed to absorb water, and that, with what comes along with that, other stuff, usually trash, bits of rust and stuff like that. There's a long reason why brake fluid is absorbent. It's called hygroscopy, but it's for safety reasons, basically, to boil it down to easy terms. Also, brake fluid needs to be handled carefully. It can easily take your paint off surfaces. Used brake fluid needs to be disposed of in the same manner as engine oil too. When you work with it, get your rubber gloves on. So with that, we need easier ways to be able to change brake fluid and to maintain our motorcycles. So I've found speed bleeders. Speedbleeder, all one word, .com is their website. They have replacement for the nipple on the brake caliper. They have an internal check valve that allows an easy one-person brake fluid changing or bleeding. Their website has a kit for almost every motorcycle out there. In that kit, you will see a bleeder for the clutch on many models too. Many motorcycle clutches use brake fluid as a motorcycle clutch hydraulic fluid also. Basically, brake fluid is a hydraulic fluid. So that's why, to make it simpler, they do the brake or the clutch. Hydraulic clutches use brake fluid to make it, simpler. Now, how to use them after you have taken the original nipples off and put the new speed bleeders on. You connect a clear tubing, 1/8 inside diameter, to the nipple, and put the other end of the tubing into a collecting cup. Now you need to open up the nipple a 1/4 to 1/3 turn. Pump your brake or clutch no more than 2 times. Now you need to go back and refill the reservoir with new brake fluid. Each reservoir, we're talking about your front brake, your back brake, and your clutch. You'll do the same process for all 3 of them. Now, once you refilled your reservoir with new brake fluid, then repeat the process over again. With the clear tubing, you'll be able to see the bubbles coming out of the brake system. Also, watch the color of the brake fluid coming through the line. You'll see it'll be a yellowish color or a dirty color. Once you get to a clear color, that'll give you a good indication that the system is flushed. Also, with no bubbles or trash in that. The speed bleeders make this was a difficult job and now makes it easy, and it's a breeze. And so this also gives you no excuse to go out there and not change the brake fluid with your normal maintenance. So very good advice there, guys, to make your motorcycle better, longer lasting, and more useful. And so good advice, so go out and do it. We will see you on the next video.